So ayun na nga guys, for today's video, i-install ko naman yung shifter cable bushing. Kahapon, in-install ko tong short shift arm neto na JBR. So today, i-install naman natin ang shifter cable bushing. I bought the Cobb solid shifter cable bushing. Yun ang gagamitin ko. So ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano install yan. Okay. Okay guys, buksan natin yung box. As I said, I'm going to install this Cobb shifter cable bushing. Okay. So this is what's in the box right here. It's meron kasamang thread locker. This one. Meron siyang kasamang thread locker. Of course, it's nice. It's another sticker from them. Then here's the shifter cable bushing. It's solid. This is solid one. So actually it's two stickers. Wow, got too many stickers now. So okay guys, umpisahan ko nang i-remove yung shifter cable natin. So gagamitan ko siya nito. Yan. Yan ko lang siya guys. Yan. Kaya lang. Then this one. Like that. So and also ang gagawin natin is i-remove natin to. Yan. This one, that green one, and then this one, the black one. So the only way we have to do is to take this up. Gamitan ko siya ng ng long nose, then unti-unti ko siyang alisin. Parang sisirain nyo na siya guys, kasi hindi naman na ito magagamit after na ma-install natin yung solid cable bushing natin. So ang importante lang dyan is ito, yung nasa loob nyan, yung green yan, yun ang kukunin natin. So yan. So after that, pwede nyo siyang alisin guys. Oh, see? Just like that. Okay. So ang sinasabi ko na kailangan i-save is this one, the green one. That one. So did you see? This is oh, it's just rubber. Look, that Look at that. It's just a rubber. Kaya ano yung it's very sloppy, and then there's a lot of play in the shifter kapag nag-shift ka. So once na mapalitan na to guys, oh, may ano na siya, stiff na. Matigas na ang ano natin, ang shift natin. So look at that. So let me try to remove the other one too. This one. There you go. That's it. And then take it up. Just like that. Look at this. This is rubber also. See? Diba? So, isi-save natin yung green yan. Yung green yan. So, ito guys. Tatry ko ng alisin, makuhanin yung green na yon sa loob. So this one is on the rubber. Oop. Yay! One down. This one. One down. This one is the key. The cutter. Okay, we'll do the other one. Remove this. Same process. Come on. Yoo-hoo! That's it. This one, guys. Okay. So, ganito siya, guys. Yan, screw type lang. Then, ganyan siya. Ito yung top, ito yung bottom. So, this green one, lalagay mo ganyan siya. Ayan. You see that? Just like that. Just like that, guys. So, okay. Install na natin. Alright, guys. For installation na tayo ng shifter bracket, shifter cable bushing. So, there. So this one, this is the green thing from the OEM cable. So yan yung kailangan na i-save pagka nagpalit kayo ng shifter cable bushing na solid one, so i-keep nyo yung green yan. So ganyan lang siya guys. So I got the Cobb shifter cable bushing. So ito siya, parang ganun siya guys, maglalak siyang ganyan. So this one it comes with the thread locker. So lalagyan natin siya ng thread locker. So this one is the thread locker na kasama sa package. So ayan siya guys. So sa kabila naman, just like that. Alright guys, done installing the solid shifter cable bushings.